Hey everybody, it's Starfreeze, and I thank you for joining in today. And today we're opening up more Hidden Fates cards, looking for that elusive Charizard card. If you could, like and subscribe, and we'll get this video started. So yesterday we did not pull the Charizard card, but today we're hoping our luck will change. Code card. Fairy. Scyther. Sabrina Suggestion, Pokemon Center Lady, Paris, Charmander, Slowpoke, Psyduck, Clefairy, Voltorb Reverse Holographic, and a Holographic Vaporeon. Code card. Steel Energy, Metapod, Jinx, Magmar, Slowpoke, Pikachu, Charmander, Voltorb, Coughing, a shiny Shuppet, and a Snorlax. So we got a decent pull out of there. Hidden Fates is one of the bigger packs. The shinies are worth a little bit, they're not a whole lot, but they're better than the other holographics and other sets. Code card. Fighting Energy, Metapod, Misty Cerulean City Gym, Magmar, Magikarp, Ekans, Voltorb, Geodude, Pikachu, Holographic Energy, and a Bill's Analysis. Code card. Sorry, that's my dog again. Chansey, Ekans, Cubone, Magikarp, Geodude, Clefairy, Reverse Hollow Magmar, and an Erica's Hospitality. Magmar, Farfetch'd, Pikachu, Jigglypuff, Ekans, Coughing, Cubone, Reverse Hollow Giovanni's Exile, and a Holographic Misty's Water Command. Charmeleon, Chansey, Giovanni's Exile, Clefairy, Staryu, Jigglypuff, Ekans, Geodude, and an Arbok. So no reverse hollow in that pack. Water Energy, Sabrina Suggestion, Charmeleon, Clefairy, Staryu, Jigglypuff, Ekans, Geodude, Reverse Hollow Staryu, and Blaine's Last Stand. Steel, Scyther, Metapod, Magmar, Ekans, Cubone, Magikarp, Geodude, Clefairy, Reverse Hollow Mew, and another Mew. Lightning, Pokemon Center Lady, Sabrina Suggestion, Misty's Determination, Magikarp, Coughing, Clefairy, Staryu, Jigglypuff, Reverse Hollow Pewter City Gym, and a Charizard GX. It's a Charizard, but not the Charizard we're looking for. Nonetheless. One, two, Water Energy, Metapod, Pokemon Center Lady, Scyther, Pikachu, Jigglypuff, Ekans, Coughing, Cubone, Holographic Psychic Energy, and a Mewtwo GX. So that's all the packs for today. I want to thank everybody for tuning in today. If you could, like and subscribe. It would really help the channel. And we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Thank you.